Any new construction in the last 10, 15 years, your house is going to have a sump pump. The sump pump handles water that collects in the underslab drainage system, and it also takes the water from your condensate drains in your floor slab drains, and it collects here in this sump pump. The pump will then pump the water up and outside to daylight. Fisher Custom Homes supplies a battery backup system to all of our sump pumps. Reason for that is, in the unlikely event of an extended storm and an extended power outage, water will collect in your underslab drainage system. So you want to be able to pump that down. With the battery backup system fully charged, it will run for about 36 hours, which would mean it would pump the slab down completely at least once or twice, which may be enough to get you through the storm event. The battery backup system has got a green light on it. That tells you that the system is charging and working as designed. It is essentially the same as a car battery, and I would give it about a 5-year life expectancy, and then you need to have it replaced by a licensed plumber. If you ever wanted to check and see if your sump pump is working, you have a receptacle here that is a piggyback plug system. One plugs into the back of the other. This plug controls the float. There's a float in the pit, and as the water level rises, the float turns on. This plug turns the power on to the actual pump. So you can bypass the float to test it. And if you can hear that, we can hear that the pump is working. So now that we know our pump is working properly, I'll plug it back into the float, replace it, and you're all set to go.